Hello, once again. Welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. And some every neck was sending a catch on the piano. So subscribe and click the bell notification. So anytime be post video, obey straight. Na and some a cool tree cobra man when you be kama. Some every neck was so ne. You say Kwasi ata and Efia l3ak Appiah. Amankofo bebre share. Na me hona me bi. Nti nipa ode san name na na mka kire so no we have video ni ya enya Kwasi ata ade ankofo bebre yede egu Kwasi ata enimase. But the good news is finally nipa kro was a video nim no full video about bontia ye nyina ye hu se enye Kwasi ata. Kudos to Kwasi ata say wama we are hana wa meka nsem bebre. And another story I trending say Shatta Wale oni Appiah genyina ana say a queen Appiah oni no enya encounter e ba ne saying Shatta Wale echo TV3 echo ye interview no ha say COVID-19 ya abe ana say coronavirus issue na aba no say government ebefa any celeb ama omo aye ambassadorial deal dia ono Shatta Wale dia e ba na so a obe charge na Appiah beka say ono de ohun de nti e wo say obi charge and as a celeb be charge to do a rule and as to promote COVID-19 prevention and as how ankofo ebesi ahwe omhu yi afa COVID-19 ho so on de ohun emphasis de bi e wo say wo ye celeb a obejiska wo ho na Shatta Wale chere say all this can interest here no all this because on was save a lot of money on wait me a little better when Nisika was saving but also on government and say celebrities or more Ghana no a business minded and see untimin go far DBA keke no meye ambassador sa keke obra unti aneka and we no the chat was say Appiah o say won charge no when machine bi se wunyina ana se udru abrewa so a wa me tientie man chere Ghana for say yesrewa ho kire because o feel say maybe a Appiah so ejuma bebre e de che based on the all can enti no na de back and forth bebre but sudden catcher on Poleeno Multimedia there e ba quick near there bro fast yen so kra. But then also I join saying I think the Appiah on Poleeno Multimedia also can say was a government it cheske we must celebs na omo ediyesa promotion ebi enkrasi bi ho a ontimi ntu ne kan kono nanka government sika na omo de be man o de bia to petrol na omo de atoto ebia nose mask ne sa anyoma no hand sanitizers ne ebia liquid soap no more dey donation to all those places until also they are no canon ebia on here on there ne get beto aso na wa hwe
actors etimi ya drama ewo ho edikire say yare ne say na tie enye wakwan we so na obefa abobon na eno kra no kwan ben so na obehu say esumesi kra nya bi say bia obe ebe ya say bia fever obowa na say wuti den epawo eba ne say amenka say bia malaria na emom bomode na koche sa nyomani na so mutimi chechire na say hu say certain symptoms password ebi won ho a ne ye hu kwan ebefa so a ye babo ye ho ban
nti so ni mo ebi hu say
and news baby you say yi mpemfo mo tete ho mo mutimi chechire amanfo ye maame mo mu radio so mo dewro
I think this
ni ebe kasi ye sika to ho na sika da ho sa obo wanse ne yare na achi obi a na akofa ensemble braba
I think say ya nhwe ye ne nya ejibu mo Ghana ya si nyina bitimi ahye because Ghana ntesa abruchira e bia onsa abruchira normally
that's right
me yere ne mema
that's right
Ghana me wo fa wo ho me anti wo ho me wo fa ase nti abusuani nyina e wo fie ba ko ba kunya ya enya ne we nima we benya abusua nyina sebesh yanti ene na abusua bia ni Ghana
black penny
NC but na yase.
That's right. If you have crampana is your market, yes, menche union cran. Yeah, ya cheers, I'm not kayo.
So,
where I was and watch ya. Where you no bra. Now, if you watch ya. When you be, it's your cassie. Ghana hapa, se send a yarena bams and painful to me.
I'm from an NC form.
I'm Mama dear, you be beyond son and pray dia mimia. Quite be fast, swear, bet chini pan because see me singing room nipa to do a down. Baako fo di nya fie ofo yin na nya se baako efie baako nya koto si ehun se ewi ofo yin na nya. I'm telling you Ghana habambo ankasa no ewo fam what I say ndi ese no apandi abande emanim die no endoso education no enoso na se nkoma social media fo yi enye se o mo bon de wuro ma manfo ehu de ekoso de ba brapani anke ye de ne saabo na yade no atu atese ati Ghana fo nyina
because nango fo bi so dwen say e overhype to say ye be kan Ebola na akoda anye yi ba
Ebola ba na yade e wo ho
ye wo ho but
na e say ne ya so anu
sa hype and na too high but I think that they should understand say the thing
too high no na man
a deadly virus.
Thank you. Too high no media houses in the year and then intima man spread bibiri.
Can you say ankaji?
It is a media houses no either some be spreading of bad or good. Ni na no eboa. The you woman no ni afa. So what must say?
E bi say to fear man go for answer na.
Oh dem fear. And to fear. Fear no umu ya twwa kokon si akame nyom baako ya de ni ba bekun ye bon de rese abe ya wo be ya hweyi so what man say se even no social media for anka me that me nua bi be that what ya mo hu de wura nti appointment sika to a ye make sure say ye de be ye de wo say so omoye na baako fo antena so omo so nim say campaign ti ana omo asen atwa sika na omo ankasa de akwaye omo ne ma de a ana etwadwe omo a what you say and the nyankopon de me gidi say nka odi obetu omo kapa oh yeah
all right nyankopon ebetu ampanyifo ka say omo de sika no eto say omo eyefunu mu pe enti na omo twa sika no na nya yare ni nti a na make house stand up about supplement na so say so boy juma pa from number no na wo so Yeni Dr. Dixon, I will welcome for noche, every children come. Stay tuned. For sending me catch you, say, for Dr. Dixon, I will welcome for a noche teaching hospital. Welcome, say. Now, what church, bambo, na say, you might, yeah, a boy, na, yes, so, yet me, a big I see, a way, a railway home. Dr. Ambacha, your more call about Poleeno Multimedia, sir.
Yeah, I just,
Dr. Ambachonka, over to me. Amaye uru ewo Ghana memua.
Okay, me medical practitioner. Me wo Tiwa Memorial Hospital na sa o confirmatory accident emergency unit.
Okay. Okay, doctor. Area aba obia say pandemic ya ewo wiase nyina no. Ya recorded 2 cases ani nim say nketu atwa. Enedwa yomo de 4 cases abeka ho amana 6. And I say atungo for I am saying and see di hu nkomo ewo Poleeno Multimedia na ya hwefo so aya hwie but you then abit me aka fa ya rewe hu
yo me da so akwanya o dia mami no kre ya re coronavirus aya tuni din COVID-19 in fact it can't see ama so na e bi mo dwen say sini so and then you do Ghana ama if we that you can record 2 cases every never attack on any Ghana I think the government now you know family there na you never be blessed say young timemo for so na reduce jari because okay you can record 2 cases. As they say, I multiply 2 or 3 times within a short period of time. And in the first 2 cases, if you are going to nearby, they say, number I have been the next person I will be if you are going to nearby because contact TV before say even so many area. No do but they can pop 2-3 days as a crown or hospital. And it's my bassa nurse or more TV or no more money anything and I was said quickly increase your money. It's more micro.
And see, Doctor, me bacho wadaroma nurse ehun hia say ye call omufie se na wo kan say ye hu se nipa ba pasomasi anya bia efie ofu ni nyina wo se ye call na say ye be quarantine omo a ya ye ne sa bebepe se na wo kan ye ti wase a
what's the omo come into contact with some patients ni nyina you to me quarantine omo na monitor omo for signs and symptoms of condition obu okra basana it will take you blood sample test so when you are really be asana it's I say 2 or 3 days cover not in a rophobia mobile now was I feeling symptoms kakra no more present say one person be check and say Appiah na you test you on fortunately China food to other countries so that testing are negative.
Okay, doctor, me pacho we there sorry na Tresa o uchrema yenye hu symptoms ni bia wo say ya yetutu anamoni ba hospital ni ebe check Doctor Mbachana me tresa si yenya symptoms na si ya hu say kitie ya me emfa ne say normal fever ne malaria ne yemfa mra hospital ni eme check out
thinking dia ubinya and now when you saw truth, and now SCC and now we feel you can craft the one you could, no, and now also why so I remember in a and now say normal could and I say and now so my main got so much in contact group. The hospital near screen because this one not because or have to know my area not accurate and some of my hospital because you share area and mortality rate now in this show sir in your area mortality rate also you can't say that if if a survival area does no more move.
Oh okay.
If you more move a fact is the brain the back. You need to go out on cigarette.
Okay.
We will be out on cigarette. You really affect you because cigarette not got a hand. Now, you are in a Sabah. Not a hard you not use to so on. Age 60 and above, and informing you to some the bus of new system of Kaka. It's almost an area now. Then you must see Kuntia virus on the pediatric in Kuntia. The fact is the green agent. You know, symptoms here. Quickly the hospital na young test na into more corona.
Okay, doctor, that's bebre. Now, doctor, me pacho individuals no so then e be ya e betimi dia boy home a ban free area no.
Okay, because the prevention is better than cure. Individuals, Appiah, I was here, regular hand washing. What's at least you can be every 13 minutes. So I should be themselves, so be also because when you send you be renting and I'm from any read the song, someone might be. Every 13 minutes, Pia also holds our quite a cover budget, and you won't run out of it. And I'm supposed to be face mask. If you are taking on to people who are marked for. And I want to substance so much as you go up or mark them up one farm. It's to be without in your hand sanitizer. I have an alcohol hand wrap. Most times, hand sanitizers, percentage of alcohol. You come up for say, you see alcohol to come one into your no more and so alcohol now, and percentage and all. only 42% and they were bet. Let's from 60% of alcohol above.
Okay.
Which is the one I have the spirit, methylated spirit, and now the sanitizers. No need to be one.
Okay.
In the hour, hand sanitizer should go to only the hour spirit should go to.
Okay.
Over once you have to make it cool. And now the example, someone needs union chain about what to hand sanitizer and cool sound. And now they are found come.
But I'm back on me, so say, oh, they are known for one sahona. Within the 30 minutes time, no, and the other suffer when you might be behind me, yo. Patch your sanity.
When you look crying, but over touch feet, send here, Kata, say. Every time some problem, the any go. They are face, you know. What mean you also, although you see a really airborne, they are transmitted through respiratory droplets. The kind of respiratory droplets are. Maybe I'm not going to be a boy from them. So I droplets now. I want to be now from them for a short time, but I know I perform.
Okay.
It's the walk out, the boy will from them. Oh, yeah, I'll be careful. And see, I want to be a man. I don't know.
Okay.
And then you know, we don't sample so when you know they are chap one.
Okay.
Aha. And you know, so, and the audio disca. And now they are so good to man, they are too masu. And now the dinner one if you are. Who's are the coca when no man, the coca face will him and I will near. The dinner really. And into the can before so better to face many man. What that say, yeah, we are not our and I will be sure so I won't say, you know.
And some water.
So what's the better to face? What are they? See, I'm not going to hold ya.
Doctor, I know I say, Madam Safa, my name baby, and cinema may be sharp.
Quickly about things over there for no one to count, you know.
Yeah.
Half that I found that.
Okay.
What's the theory in the Pono? After the found some.
Okay.
Next before so be touching it, after so be touching when you know. What the many dia found some. I'm not very safe. In the area, I avoid touching your face because at the moment, the impulse, in time, I have a second car when you are. Maybe at that time now, alcohol, don't find you on some. Do we have a practice too? Every 15 to 30 minutes, alcohol, and then you would get found like a car. Because every 15 minutes, what the car now on some touch bed. And I would check on I will be the other speaking. See, woman, I regular. Then they are
okay, doctor. Doctor Mbacho, now another question. They say you say I buying at a $100 million at was saying from the railway no. In Sisaska no, me GDS be a distribute ama hospitals say obi bana say or was I any be on for no aputumska and no and I'm patchonya sanity.
Pacho sana okay.
Abisan stand in San Cambiana.
The attorney said there were limits I
okay.
Example, employer for health insurance and if you are
cover, okay.
India, a cassette, a phone lapse, over a better care of one test, and India no car.
Okay.
But the youngest car would be a lot. And see, this are buying the cabbage mark of armor. Okay. Now, the don't so be a treatment view or, for example, tablet, I remember the other country of one and I go cry if you get me cover because of my NASA. Sometimes you know, can see if you any panaka or the fresh at it's your bath and the fresh across our course. And you know, if you okay, pressure no to us, so maybe I'm sure you're not come one month. They do this and they go out patients now out to be to Zika. That's all the support to the Abana Society Abana. Okay. And the emphasis since I was the one that's when I really dinner. When to your cocaine and I'm with you and the crying and I'm some more. Oh, interesting. Jabani, one I am so. To memo 4 years we acquire.
But I'm back on the co-host Appiah episode beside us.
With the doctor, with the Wadarumo, the chacha.
They do super Appiah, it's on catcher.
Papa. Doctor, now with them Besimo Sicano, a bedroom side and half in the eba. I buy scarcem na me.
I buy any trap. She can't to say, empanyinfo no hyehyɛ the person bi ebi ni say yɛtumi yes ya set up isolation bay isolation bay no meaning say for example equipment bi a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde siesie hɔ kane no which mean that equipment bi a ɛwɔ ward me uko yi saa de akɔ na de na be use ward hɔ papa akwa yes okay you be here separate room here
that's right
for the back then you sika ban dia be you for to oxygen you for to face mask you to hand sanitizer for o back of not here be dia na first hand sanitizer spray ni say bi wo
okay
because first you know you say within the walls you akwa be hand sanitizer be you know baby a ebusuafo kra be sre ni pa bi bo baby a we ebusuani kra be nya bi na dia fa won sa ni na extra cost ababe tokwa abano fa sometimes you know if you are going to na one kasa o hospital bills you know and we can say down cover because extra bed in a better health care system this one and now back of another year mask they be a kwejuma ya obi abebo mask for e bo kwatu mbo 2 or 3 because back on a boy the patient be by no kra no why be ama a pretty good what assistant no so can you be crowd kwejuma the whole day crown bomb mask but because before say you be max maybe obi about TB or bowa ana ya we bi enje yes can you say be obi about max recommend okay you know and also more TB one here you jump table mask but why we be and you say
sa niema no ne dan na be say mo separate ama e say omo coronavirus no e say sa dan ne sa nose max ni na no are you ready mprempre aye no kasa yi
eno dey are ready am no kasa sisia ya simulation exercise for example ya simulation exercise no obi ya said that fa obi a woni ya ready bi e fa na tempo abedu ade an ye beye
okay
after wo ye rehearsals ya na ni mani nyina we team we abeso ya de kwa ya de na to we so oxygen ya okay ya say ya isolate no see what that ya sa ni mani nyina equipment bibia you ready
sesi an so obi yare ne ye de ne ba ho sesi an na monka se mo twen aban ansa oba ya mo ye no ho adwuma amana fa no ho adi
ye no ho adwuma ye be fa ne sample within 3-4 hours I am ready you know say negative or positive na be a transfer
okay piao na ye ka valentine me say mo kan say quarantine ne de yi
ye ka quarantine and say for example ya se kwa Appiah enya ya we ni bi
dabi odi fa ayiye me na minya bi Poleeno dabi odi fa Poleeno ye me fie me dabi me fie ntina me kasa no omo de omo ensemi se omo so anu ntem me se odi fa Poleeno ye
the way ya we no do ko si ya friend isolation now say now only Poleeno no Poleeno nya bi and because the Poleeno nya bi no so no so ko se dem ma because na obowa na Poleeno nim say coronavirus no ti won wa bo wa gu ni so a Poleeno complaining say when kata na o na de ene ya na emom no won ni na woda ba kuma wo so abo wa gu ma ti Poleeno de na e de ne ko se dem quarantine ya ko monitor na he
okay
obesa si enya symptoms na Efia no sana te be isolation dey wo dey yare na dead to wo ye do kwose baby quarantine ye bo ho ban afi so benya yare no ti ye nyagu sape ene ye quarantine nti na way na ye monitor for symptoms ye say protect you from yare no because ye you fi Poleeno nchen the Poleeno no dey isolate no nti the difference between isolation and quarantine no onyanya yare no
okay
yes okay if you are not here monitor na say yare ne baba me no ka say bi ko abo wa gu so incubation period but isolation
I don't know your friend say incubation period
no abo na ko mu be enyan shate ma onyare no ye so incubate akwa sa akoko abutu ni kosua so na onya hati onya mpa ngosua no na ebedi some days asa no apaya ma dane akoko no akokoba no pepe nti won aboa no ya fa ne se wabo wa gu ne so nti aboa na betena ne mu be onya nyare
Oh, okay.
If you actually said them,
I should
say, when it's another, say, I really baba, and I hear some test, and then you may be say, I really when ya.
And the map of one be as an
and your friend of quarantine.
Oh, Pia.
So, one more to be fair about Chiba. Who bet do I bet my quarantine and isolation because you know, Casadia on Casawaya. We so free China Naba.
Oh, okay.
So, quarantine.
Okay.
And only a dog was said them. So you really be about so and I do mujama and so young ring to symptoms there and they are quarantine.
Oh, okay.
Isolation in the old bedroom Ghana or Bowa, Wyoming, yes, you isolate to be a drug or said baby. What do you really know about? And they are isolation.
Isolation. Yeah, that's it, baby. Now, me, but you'll be near one night and sana, Sebi Wu, Yamuko man in Paris.
Pato, you are real. Before I saw the shot, you are there, these symptoms, no. Not a boy cry, one to me, I will move a cry 2 weeks. And so, not more than 192 weeks. I'm feeling an employee, I are no.
Okay.
And in come out the wound, Appiah in the air. You need attention, I will not this time, Appiah in the new system.
Okay.
For example,
now, maximum no bear saying.
Oh, maximum, to me, maximum. They tell me maximum, they say, you.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yes, social percentage wise, no crana. Maybe I'm percentage because take your percentage in it. A bar for crania, say, it's at 0.2. That's a cabin punu. To say it's really good 10 and poco. Into a certain because of stars on us. In the middle stage, be able to find an average also. The mortality rate is. They are at now, dear. We pay young Kwasi are doors to sing the table. Nina Sujina, how I show see what did you immune system, when should be with the fruit and vegetables because they contain vitamin C. Vitamin C is antioxidant, it boosts immune system. No, if you know your dear, important would be on your fruit to be said the Guso. Nina, immune system, the costume and the Kutia virus.
Ayo na doctor now can say sanitizer no the alcohol be 72% no eno na ye na say yesiputo hwegu mu eno ane ni nyina kwansen kromo na nipa no be alcohol no be go nse no ene onoma say ni nkesi wa o
ye tell say alcohol percentage a bit me to aboa no say ye say abanuma ko emu a be ha brebo na tete won so no because abuano wanyamesa and in alcohol na idea go hand sanitizer the percentage no was sure.
Oh, okay.
It is also another ubenuma anka yarewe nkono na obrebo krase.
Akọ fast and fufro e di aba.
Nemo sa then say and the number 15%, 20% did as what to aboa boss na ta so it be na aboa na hwe.
Oh, okay.
No.
Hey, and is sanitizer and the bend is saying, go on, yes, and you got it. Oh, okay. Are you? And that's a prize, a beach is so, probably